Refrigerators use an automatic defrost system to keep the evaporator coils free of ice. If the defrost stops working, ice will build up and prevent the system from cooling properly. Top freezer refrigerators usually have a defrost timer located in the control module. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the screw clockwise until it clicks. The defrost cycle should begin. If the heater warms up, then you've verified that the heating element is good. In this case, the defrost timer is likely faulty and should be replaced. Now, to switch out of the defrost mode and reset the timer, turn the screw clockwise until it clicks again. To access the defrost timer, remove the screws and lower the control housing. You can see more in the video linked below. Now, if you want a complete guide on how to troubleshoot the defrost system, then you can watch our troubleshooting guide. The video is linked in the description below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.